So what we have, it is a Fiat Panda 1.2 petrol engine, which is misfires and stuttering on low revs between 1000 and 2000 revs when accelerating. I connected through multi-EQ scan diagnostic. It shows a defective injector, number 2 injector, that it was defective. So I move injector 2 to injector 1. I connected again multi-EQ scan diagnostic and shows again defective injector 1. So it is this particular injector defective. I buy a new one injector, petrol injector, to replace it. So we will see, it will start, it will continue misfiring or it will not. Let's see. So here are the injectors on Fiat 1.2 fire petrol engine. This injector shows the diagnostic program that is defective, but I measured all the injectors and have the same ohm resistance. They all have 0.14 resistance. Okay, so we replace it. Here is the old one. It hasn't any cracks. It seems in good condition, but the new one, it is the same. Let's start it. Check light is on. Let's see why it is on. So as to raise volt. Okay. Engine Fiat Panda. Connect. Errors. Okay, we clear the existing error. It's okay. Disconnect. We are ready to test on the volts. After that, if engine still misfires, we're gonna check high voltage ignition cables. These cables may be corroded on their plastics or on their lids, which lead to hesitation when accelerate, misfires, and high combustion, high full combustion. A good way to check them is when dark on the engine bay, we start the engine, idling, and take a look on these high voltage ignition cables if they lose spark. Then under load, we revving the engine from idle to high RPM and observe for spark in the engine bay near the high ignition voltage ignition cables. Finally, we replace the corroded high voltage ignition cables and we drive test on the road so as to verify no misfires anymore while full acceleration.